Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will create a program that will count the last occurrence of a given character in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So basically I'm using Dev C++ as my integrated development environment. You can download this program for free over the internet in their website. So we have here line number 1, line number 2, we have here IOStream library file for input output, and then we have here C-string for string manipulation in our program using namespace. Line number 6, int main, it is the starting and ending point of every C++ program. We have here begin character, we have here my name, Pomperada, and then character pointer P. So to determine the last character, we are using P equals strchr. These functions belongs in this library file C-string. So let's we have passing parameters str, the given string, and e. So basically the last occurrence here of e is here. Let us count 1 2 3 4 including the space, white space, 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we display the result here, p minus str plus 1, and then we close the body of our program. Okay, let us compile and run to see the result. So the last occurrence of character e is at 10, no? So right, correct. So another example, let's say we have here computer. Let's say the character that the last occurrence is O, so it will be number 2. So let us compile and run. So the last occurrence of the character e O, rather, make as capital, compile and run. The last occurrence of character O is at 2. So we have here 1 2. Last example, let's say mascara. Let's say we are searching for letter A. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it will be 8. Compile and run. Okay, so last occurrence of character A is at 8. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on last occurrence of a character in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jack saying bye bye for now.